Good afternoon, my friend. Now we are going to testing the heating furnace for us. Now let me introduce the step. Step 1, we need to confirm the water cooling tower. Now we loading the soft water inside the water tank, then connected the water cooling cable with the heating furnace. As you can see, this is the outlet mount for the cooling water. From this line, go into the furnace to cooling the furnace body. Then it will come out from this side, from this mount, and through this water cooling cable back to the water tank. Make a circle and then make the water from hot to cool. You can see here is our control cabinet for the water cooling tower. We already install it on the frame, so customer received do not need to install it anymore. And for the water pump, you can see we have two sides, one for working and another for standby. If one have some emergency and we can charge it to another pump, it can still working as normal. That's all for the step 1 to testing the connected the water with the furnace. This is step 1. Okay, for the step 2, we need to confirm the furnace with input loading to see if the medium frequency voltage is 750 volts. To see this chart, if the voltage can arrive to 750, then this furnace can begin working later. So we can check the every parameter for the electrical to confirm everything. They begin to test. Okay, now let's see the third step. Step 3, it's to test the machine feeding function. Now we can put some raw material like steel, square bar or round bar on the feeding pallet. And then we have two feeding methods. One is for manual. Manual, we can use this switch. We will equip a switch for customer. This switch, we push it, and this pushing rod will go forward. When we press this stamp, and it will, this rod will go forward to push the material inside the furnace. And the method 2 is automatic. It's here. It's automatic. We can setting the feeding time. For example, we set every 60 seconds, like 1 minute, it will push one time. Then we can open this box and press this button to add the number as 60. This is counting as second, not minutes. You can see it's second, and it will showing the number. For example, 14 seconds or 60 seconds, we can set in here. And after we setting it, and here this rod will pushing it automatically every 1 minute, one time. It will feed in the material automatically. Do not need us to press this button anymore. Yes. Now you can see engineer is open the closed water cooling tower. This tower is open now. So later it can cooling the furnace very well.
这个压力不要超过2公斤，是0.2 MPa。
Okay. This is a press meter, pressure, to show the pressure of the water. The water pressure can not over 1.2 MPa.
我们现在是1.5多一点，大概1.6吧。
Now this is the turn on and turn off power. Now the power is on.
你在后边介绍就行。
这是啥按钮？
这个是上面写的啥
？CLS 是吗？
交流核查。然后呢，这个就是每次启动的时候，这个从部位。
This yellow number is the rest pressure. Every time we start machine, we make it back to the rest condition.
直接就是旋转升功率开始。
This switch is for the power to adjust the power. 是看它一会儿到750，是不是？
看它。
We will inspect this meter to see whether it will go into 750 volt. Now you can see engineer is pressing the button to testing the feeding function. You can see we can feed in the materials one by one. If the material is not too long enough to connect it with the pushing rod, we can feed in another new material to make it the continuous putting the material go forward.
这个烟气主要是那个被加热的工件可能表面有那个油腻。
The smoke is because the raw material, the appearance may have some painting or oil that will appear in the smoke. It's not matter. Now you can see the raw material already go red. The temperature inside is very high. And we go to see another side. 现在功率有多少啊？
现在应该是有接近100多吧。这个因为咱们这个线比较小，这个我就没有开那么多，这个最高。
到哪儿看功率啊？
电流和电压的成绩。
然后等一下展示到这儿，你说你可以，我现在可以看到我们的工件正在一点点的发红。那边。
Yes, you can see now. The working pieces inside is go red. And now the power is about
时间长的话就烧化了。
Okay, now we are going to end the testing because if time is too long, the raw material become melting. We can see that the raw material inside the appearance is already. And later, if we need to let the material go outside, we can press the button to let the material, pushing the material out. Now the material temperature may reach to 800 degrees. Okay, now we are closing the heating furnace. Okay, looking the meter.
然后就是关电源。
Okay, power switch. Okay, finished. This is a stamp for closing the heating furnace. You can see this furnace, the starting is very quick.